Hi family, if you are looking for a simple low manipulation wash day routine, then this video is for you. I was inspired by this routine from my oldest daughter Sonia. My original routine is totally different from this, but this routine is like when you have to wash your hair but you want to jump in the shower, get it done fast and have somewhere important, then I highly recommend this. And apart from that too, it's summertime. If people wants to stay out and enjoy the summer, or if you have pool, you always in the pool, this routine is also really great for you. This routine is like a reverse wash day routine. You are going to deep condition on dry hair. Since your hair is dry, you will need like a tea or a spray for you to moisturize your hair. So I just made my coffee tea, and that's what I will spray on the hair just so I can finger detangle. And then I'm going in with my deep condition first. I'm going to do this on every section of my hair. What this method does, it really softens your hair before you can go in with your shampoo. Apart from that too, you are also like doing finger detangling because you're parting your hair in little sections and applying your deep condition. To speed this process up, I'm also going to steam my hair with the deep conditioning. I put our steamer in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then I left this on for about 20 minutes. If you want, you can leave it on longer, but this is where this come in as a lazy nature. You don't want to take hours doing your hair. You can leave it on for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, it's fine. After that, I went in and rinsed it out. Now I'm coming in to shampoo my hair. To shampoo my hair this time, I use our S Secrets Moisturizing Shampoo. This shampoo helps you if you are struggling with dryness, breakage, or you are someone who you wash your hair twice a week, or even if you just want to wash your hair once a week, this shampoo is really great for you. It leaves your hair feeling so soft, but it also cleans your hair. And now that I'm washing my hair more often, this will be in another whole video. I am experimenting with washing my hair twice a week, and it is making a really big difference for me. I do not have much tangles anymore. My hair doesn't feel dry anymore now. If I'm doing my detangling, I do that in less than 10-15 minutes because I'm washing my hair often. And also, like, I started experiencing like dry scalp, itchy scalp, but with me washing my hair twice a week, I'm not experiencing any of that again. Now this is an experiment. After I'm done experimenting with it, I'm gonna make a whole video and breaking it down and letting you guys all what you need to do. But yes, I'm going in with my moisturizing shampoo. My hair feels extremely soft right now because I deep condition before I went and shampoo. So it's just so easy. And after that, I'm going to go in with my conditioner. I use our Keratin conditioner just to strengthen my hair. It also helps reduce breakage, dryness, and apart from that, it just coat the cuticle layer of our hair. After detangling take me no time because the deep condition also just helped to soften my hair. I'm now going in to moisturize my hair. This whole wash day took me less than an hour. The only reason that it took me longer because I sat under my steamer for about 20 minutes. But if I only wanted to leave the deep condition on for about 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it will also going to go very fast. This routine is great so that some people they don't wash their hair often because they think about there's so many steps that go into it, so they just feel tired and their scalp feel dirty and they just dread wash day. Now if you are someone like that, this is a simple routine. It wouldn't take you no time, but the idea, you are also cleaning your scalp and you are cleaning your hair and you are also treating your hair, and this is what leads to healthy hair, longer hair. So if you give this routine a try, let me know how it worked for you. It's very easy and straightforward. You deep condition and then you shampoo, and then when your condition is in, you detangle your hair with that. After that, you moisturize your hair. To moisturize my hair, I went in with a leave-in conditioner. our curl enhancing smoothie, and I seal all of that up with an oil. I wasn't going anywhere this week, so I just put my hair in full braids to keep my hair stretched for it not to tangle up. If you try this routine and it worked for you, let me know. You can check out all of my products on my website. I will leave the link down below.